Hola a todos. Welcome back to Spanish Language Bites, where we are here to make your language learning journey as delightful as ever. I'm Carmen, your language companion, and today we are diving into another essential word of Spanish. Adiós. Adiós is a word that holds more than just its literal meaning of goodbye. It's a way to bid farewell with warmth and sincerity, just like hola. This word brings people together. Adiós allows us to part ways on a positive note. You could say adiós, hasta luego, which means goodbye, see you later. It's like saying we may be parting for now, but we will meet again. Or perhaps you want to express your departure more formally. Me tengo que ir. Adiós. This translates to I have to go. Goodbye. It's a polite way to take your leave. Remember, adiós is not just a simple farewell. It is an opportunity to leave a positive impression. Whether you are leaving a gathering, ending a phone call, or parting ways after a wonderful conversation, in Spanish, adiós carries that sentiment of well wishing. The practice for today is to find someone, maybe a friend, family member, a co-worker, or a neighbor, perhaps, and bid them adiós in a cheerful and friendly manner. Feel the warmth and positivity that this word brings to your interactions. That's a wrap for today's Spanish language bite. We explored together the meaning and significance behind Spanish adiós, a word that goes beyond a simple farewell. Join me again tomorrow for another flavor language discovery. Remember, with each word we learn, we are expanding our horizons and reaching our communication. Hasta mañana.
Hola amigo, dime cómo estás. Vamos juntos a hablar sin más. Palabras vuelan como un compás. Río palabras sueltas al azar. Canta conmigo, no pares de hablar. Baila y aprende.